So you lived in the world's largest village, and now it's time to get out of that house. Let's talk about selling that property in Skokie. Come on in and have a seat. I'm Ben Weaver, an Illinois attorney and founder of 23 Legal. I provide personal, practical, and professional legal service by guiding clients through the process of buying and selling a home throughout Chicago and its suburbs. With me as always is Adam Carr, who has about 75 videos to edit right now.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, get out of here, get to work. And today we'll talk to you about what you'll want to know when you're selling your home in Skokie. Now at the top of the video, we called Skokie the world's largest village, and there was a time when Skokie was just that. These days, it's still much larger than your average village at 67,500 people. You know, the village was originally called Niles Center, but there was a lot of confusion between Niles Center and the city of Niles, so the name Skokie was adopted. The land was originally built on what was known as the Skokie Marsh, which derived from a Potawatomi term that meant Great Marsh. Learning a little bit about Skokie was fun. Well, let's get back to home selling. You've listed your home, you agreed on a price, and accepted that offer. Well, keep that price in mind as Skokie has a 3 per $1,000 tax. Let's say you agree to sell your house for $300,000. You would then owe the village $900 in tax. We have a breakdown of prices right over my shoulder, so take a look at what you may owe the village with that 3 per $1,000 tax. In Skokie, it's on the seller to cover that tax, so keep that in mind, and when you accept an offer. So the per $1,000 tax has been addressed. Now we need to contact the village 1 week before closing. This allows them to have enough notice to prepare that final bill and get the village transfer stamp ready to go. With it being the world's biggest village, giving them that extra time to finalize the paperwork is paramount to getting the closing finalized quickly, on time, and without any hitches. 1 day before we pick up that stamp, 2 very important forms need to be sent over to the Skokie village clerk. The state tax form that we call the MyDeck, and the Skokie form, which covers the village tax. Once those have been received, you'll be given the transfer stamp. And at that point, all we have left is the closing. Hey, have you ever had a sale have a surprise issue at the end of the closing? Let us know about it. We'd love to hear and respond to the story. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to 23 Legal for more real estate law content. I'm Ben Weaver, overtaking new contracts and clients, and I'll see you in the next video.